Welcome to the In Front of Me ODYS Thanos 10, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that tap here to network and internet. Now just here you'll see the first Wi-Fi section. To activate it, you should click here once on this switcher, and after that you'll see here all the available networks, which we can just select and connect. For example, we can go with this one, with this network here. We should enter the password. Okay, for example, then click here to done. And now if you want to see this password, just click here once on this checkbox, and you can see here this password to have no some mistakes. For example, I'll do this out of screen, so 1 second please. Okay, then just click here to connect, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just forget this network, just to remove the password, just click here and select one from these available networks again. Also, you can just save 2 or 3 or more passwords at the same time, and then just switch between all of these networks if you want. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we had a second way how we can turn on the Wi-Fi. Just first open the notification panel, and here you'll find the Wi-Fi icon. Just click once on this icon to activate it, and to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and by the same way select one from these networks, click to connect, and that's it. To turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.